welcome you back. If you never open your Replit, I beg we go open now. Now my own Replit be this, and everybody will get Replit if you just follow along. For this your Replit, just type this small code. More will just explain what it be. Today, for this small code, we go talk about what they call variable, comment, and we also talk about error. Make us start with error first. Anything where you throw inside this our first place, so will be code. You know, say you get two places. If you don't watch that first video of Replit, you go understand. Say your code section, now there go write your code. Whereby your console, now there the computer will respond to you. So if you understand this small thing, just write this small code inside this your code section, and we will explain what error be, you know, what variable be. And we'll start with error. Anything where you write inside here now, and it no make sense, computer no understand the Python where you write, it means say you go throw error. Error no be bad thing. Everybody they see error. Even people wey don dey code for 100 years, they see this error steady. But the thing be say, make you try to learn from your error. So if you try do any mistake now on top of your code, computer will tell you say he no understand, and that one an error. So no dey discouraged. Continue. Look for where the error dey, and I dey very sure say it could be one small comma where you no put. So that one about error. So we'll just talk something about this code. A for this side, where they on this your left hand side, it just that variable that they call this kind of thing, because that equals to now make a variable. Anything where they this right hand side, it will tell this A say where you I beg let me hold this thing, let me hold this alpha where I tell you. Anytime where I call A na the name of a container. It's just like say you put this alpha inside container, you can't put A on top, say I label you A. Anytime where I call A, just quickly can't give me waiting there inside that container. Now waiting just happen for this small code be that we carry our container, we put name on top A, and the thing we will take give them, you know, that assignment. Now be that equal to, they call them assignments. Now like job man, now assignment job man be that one. I work with that. Say make it they do it in, make they give people assignments. So you don't give A assignment now. Say where you hold the thing where they say me you hold this alpha, put them inside your container. You know, so now if you call A with this print function now they call our function, it just like job man, because instead they do work. You know, once you call that print function, say now your work be this, so your owner say anything what I tell you, say me print them for me. So we tell them for you, say me print A, and waiting happen A, waiting there inside A, now it come outside, no be A come outside. So for this this variable, so it gets different names where if you name them, you understand, but it gets waiting you know supposed to name them. You know, I will just put those things down. We say how you know supposed to name your variable. A they okay, B they okay. Make sure say if you name your variable, make it get meaning to what you they put inside. You understand? For example, now A not to really get meaning with alpha, but if you want to make it get real meaning, you go say maybe greeting. Say I dey greet you. So if you name am greeting instead of A, it means say anybody will look and say okay, alpha na greeting. So you understand? You self, you know go confuse you. You know say the thing where you name your variable, you know, it get meaning to waiting there inside. So for example now, this A if you know get meaning, like I say, but if you name am greeting, it get meaning. So the next thing we say, we go talk as we fit take name our variable. Different type, you get rules to take name these variables. If you name your variable, you get these rules. Number one, you know if you start out with number, but if you start out with underscore now that dash will be under. And that thing we say, big A different from small a. So if you spell something and you write greetings capital letter, it's different from greetings we start with small letter. You know, if you feel store one thing inside that greetings, may store another thing inside the greetings we get big letter. So it is case sensitive. If you use big A, it's different from small a. And that rule be say, if you use if you use any number, of course, but don't forget say you know we start out with number. And if you use any alphabet, if you use underscore. So now those rules may you just follow. Mistake dey part of coding. So if you try all these rules out, make you see the error we go give you. If you see the error, you go feel learn from am. Don't forget, next time when you see am, you go understand say now why they give you so error. The next thing we will talk about now comment. Comment now this hash. If you don't put hash in front of anything where you put inside this code box, it means say I beg Python no run this one I beg I know the wrong code I just try explain something. So Python knows say anything we start with hash, any line of code we start with hash, e just mean say this one na notes I dey take. So if you use am take notes, make sure say everything start with hash. You know, once you no start with hash, Python go think say you dey write code and e go throw error give you. So if it start with hash, any line wey start with hash, Python understand am say you just dey try make comment say okay o, you dey try explain something maybe you no fit forget, or maybe you just dey try write your note inside your code as you dey go along. So if you wan write your note as you dey go along, start am with hash. Hash mean say you dey comment for that line. Use all this one take play for today. Try different things, name different things, give the variable different names. Try am with number, try am with different things I will take explain. Abeg just make sure say as you dey do am, make error, make mistake, note down your error. Make sure say the error wey you make, you understand am, so I no go fit make am next time. Put all the command where e suppose be, the way we take write am like that. And no forget, try different things, put am for the group chat make we see. And no forget say Python no be snake, you no need fear am. My name na Wole. Thank you.